Hi, good morning, oyo gozaimasu, namaste. I'm Chef Kumar from Tokyo, Japan. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a lemon butter garlic fish. Easy, healthy, and quick. So let's start. Please, before we start, subscribe my channel and share it and like it. Thank you very much. To make a lemon butter garlic fish, I took a local fish sea bass, around 5 pieces with skin. If you want, you can use without skin also, but I prefer to use with the skin. It's more to be there. And for marination of fish, I have a flour, all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon garlic fine chopped, chili flakes, parsley, 50-gram butter, and cherry tomato. It's optional. If you want, you can use it and you can skip it also. So let's start. So first I marinate the fish. So fish marination, we use this side because skin side cannot be go the spices inside properly. So first I use salt, crushed pepper, and lemon juice. And just rub it. After that, I have a flour. Just cover with the flour. Now it's done. Now we will do the shallow fry fish. First we do the shallow fry fish. So I put around 2 tablespoon oil. After oil become hot, we will put the fish. So first I put the fish from skin side. So we need to just cook fish from one side around 3 to 4 minutes only, just color. And when we see the color is done from one side, we will move it to another side. Now wait for 3 to 4 minutes to cook from one side. Now almost 3 minutes, we can check the fish is already colored from the another side. Now we close the induction. We take it out. Now we are going to prepare a sauce. To make a sauce, first I took butter, around 50 to 60 gram. Just melt it. Make sure the flame will be slow, otherwise butter will be burned. Melt. I'm going to add chopped fine garlic, 1 tablespoon. Now we cook the garlic for 3 to 1 minute. Make sure we need to just saute the garlic, no color. After saute garlic, I'm going to add chili flakes, cherry tomato, lemon juice, salt, half teaspoon pepper, fresh chopped parsley, and just cook for 3 to 2 minutes. Now our sauce is ready. Now it's time to serve it.